Hello students, welcome to online classes of Senstar Global School. I am Ramesh Sharma. Today I am going to start third part of chapter 6, multiples and factors. In the previous videos, we have learned how to find factors and multiples of given numbers. Now in this video, today's topic is various types of number. So first is even number. The whole number which is exactly divisible by 2 without leaving any remainder, then the number is called even numbers. Example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Okay? Or we can say if the ones digit of a given number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then the given number is even number. See the example 24. See, ones digit is 4. That is why 24 is a even number. Okay? Another example. See, 349. See, the ones digit is 9, and I told you now ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then the number is even number. But 359 has 9 as ones digit, so this one is not even number. But if you talk about 348, then this is even number because the ones digit is 8. See. Is it clear? Now, take another example. 6,480. 6,480. See the ones digit is 0. So, ones digit is present as 0. Then the whole number is even number. Is it clear? Now, next topic is odd number. The whole number which is not exactly divisible by 2, then the number is odd number. See the example. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. Okay. So these are odd numbers. Okay. Because this number is not divisible by 2 completely or exactly. It means if we divide this number by 2, then we will get some remainder. Okay, that is why these are called odd numbers. Just opposite of even number. These numbers are completely divisible by 2. That is why they are called even number. The odd numbers are not divisible by 2 completely. That is why these are called odd numbers. See, in this, if the ones digit are 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, then the numbers are called odd numbers. See the example for it. 229. See the ones digit is 9. Okay? And I told you now, if the ones digit are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then the number, this whole number is called odd numbers. Clear? So 229 is odd number. Now take another example. 3,333. See the ones digit again as 3, and that is why the number is odd number. Clear? Take one more example. See, ones digit is 8, but according to this property, ones digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then the number is odd number. But in 2038, the ones digit is 8. That is why this one is not odd number. Is it clear? Now you can see the difference between the even number and odd number. See, the difference of This is 2. 2 minus 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. So these are called consecutive even numbers. Consecutive even numbers. See, if we take another example, 24, 68, 90. These three numbers are even number or not? They are even numbers because the one digit is 4, one digit 8, again 0. 4, 6, 4, 8 and 0. So they are even numbers, but they are not consecutive because the difference of these two numbers 24 and 68 is not 2. 90 minus 68 is not 2. That is why they are not consecutive even numbers. Okay. Thus, the difference of the even number is 2. Then the number are called consecutive even numbers. See, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are consecutive even numbers. Okay. Take an example of consecutive even numbers. 14, 16, 18, 20. Subtract 14 from 16, you will get 2. 18 minus 16, 2. 20 minus 18, 2. So they are consecutive even numbers. Okay. Now in this, again if the difference is 2, then the numbers are called consecutive odd numbers. Similarly like this, consecutive even numbers, and this consecutive odd number. See, 229, 3033, 3333, both are odd numbers, but they are not consecutive because the difference is not 2. But if we take 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, see, the difference is 2. 20 minus 21 is 2. 25 minus 23 is 2. 27 minus 25, 2. 29 minus 27 is 2. So they are example of consecutive odd numbers. Clear? Now next, prime numbers. The numbers which have only two factors, namely 1 and the number itself. See the example: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. See, you know how to find factors? See, the factor of 2 is, factors of 2 is 1 2 the 2 and 2 1 the 2. It has only two factors, 1 and 2. So this is why it is called prime numbers. Now 3, 1 and 3. Again it has only two factors, 1 and the number itself 3. Okay. Then the next 5, 1 and 5. Again it has two factors. Okay. Now take 7, 1 and 7. After this, see, directly 11 not 9, because if we take 9, then 1, 3 and 9. It has three factors. That is why 9 is not prime number. Clear? So directly after 7, the next prime number is 11. So 1 and 11. Because 11 is only two factors, 1 and 11 itself. These are called prime numbers if the number have only two factors. Clear? Now there is one more thing. 2 is the only even prime number. Okay? And the lowest also. So lowest even prime number is 2. Okay? After this, next, composite number. Composite number, just opposite of this prime number. How? The number which have more than two factors. See, the meaning of this prime number is a number which have only two factors, but composite number is the number which have more than two factors. Okay, example 4, 6, 8, 9 and so on. Okay, clear? See, why not 1, 2, 3? Because 2 and 3 is prime number. 2 and 3 are prime number, and this one is neither composite nor prime number. Clear? That is why except that 1, 2, 3 directly we will take 4 as composite number. Okay? Now, how the 4 is composite number? Write down the factors of 4. Factors of 4. See, 1 is the factor of all numbers, then 2 2s are 4, and then 4 1s are 4. It has two factors, three factors, 1, 2 and 4. That is why 4 is composite number. Next, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. 1 6 are, 2 3s are, 3 2s are and 6 1s are 6. Again, it has more than two factors. That is why 6 is also composite number. Is it clear? Similarly, 8, 1, 2, this one, 1, 2, 4 and 8. Again, it has four factors as 1, 2, 4 and 8. So 8 is also composite number. Clear? And remember one thing. 1 is not composite prime number, prime or composite number. Okay, 1 is not prime or composite number. Clear? Remember this thing. Okay. Now, next, co-prime numbers. Two numbers are said to be co-prime if they do not have common factor other than 1. See the example, 7 and 9. Okay, so factors of 7 are 7 and 1 only, and the factor of 9 is 1, 3 and 9. Now common factor means the number which are common between these two factors. So you can see only 1 is common. So 7 and 9 together are co-prime numbers because they do not have common factor other than 1. It means they have only one factor common, that is 1, not any other common factor. That is why it is co-prime numbers. See another example of it. Suppose 6 and 9. Now factor of 6, 1, 2 and 3, 6. Now 9, 1, 3 and 9. See, common factor is 1 and you can see 3 is also there. Now they have two common factors, 1 and 3. So 6 and 9 are not co-prime. Clear? See, 7 and 9 are co-prime because they have only one common factor, that is 1. But in 6 and 9, they have two common factors, 1 and 3 also. That is why these are not co-prime numbers. Clear? Now, next, twin prime. Two numbers are said to be twin prime if the difference is 2. See the example. Twin prime. So we will take prime numbers only. Like 17 is prime and 19 is prime. So you can see the difference is 2. 19 and 17 is 2. So they are twin prime. You can take an example like 3 and 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now next, 7 and 9 again. but you can see 9 is not prime number, so this one is not twin prime, because see the difference is 2 but 9 is not prime. That is why 7 and 9 is not twin prime number. Next 11 and 13. See again 30 minus 11 is 2, so this one is twin prime number. Clear?